Happy Monday, Enlightened ones, and welcome to Mudra Monday. Today I'm going to show you a mudra that is for regeneration and for strengthening. So what we're going to do is take our hands like this, and we're going to move our right hand slightly up, and we're simply going to twist it towards us. So this is the all-in-one, one is all mudra. And we're going to bring our pinkies to touch. So the contact that we have here is supposed to symbolize consciousness with that of the cosmos. So through our connection of the cosmos, we can surrender and just let go and free ourselves of our daily burdens. And in the security of this bond, we are never alone. We are all one. So I'm going to take a deep breath here. And feel free to do this as many times as you'd like. Namaste.